Vivita Insurance is considering a new strategy. Should they bet on wearables to reprice risk? This video provides a structured walkthrough of how to approach this case interview. Vivita, a major Asian term life insurer, is evaluating Project Wapple. Currently, they use broad demographic pricing. The proposal: offer premium discounts to customers who use fitness trackers. Our goal is to determine if they should launch this program and if it should extend to existing customers. To start, we clarify 2 key points. First, fitness tracker data is a validated predictor of lower claims, and second, the goal is both near-term profit and a long-term durable pricing edge. We'll use a 3-lens framework: financial impact, program design, and strategic risk. These buckets are MIS, mutually exclusive and collectively exhaustive, covering the money, the behavioral drivers, and the implementation risks. Looking at the numbers, Vivita currently earns $50 million in profit annually from its 1 million policies. With Project Wapple, we anticipate 600,000 customers will join the opt-in segment, while 600,000 existing customers will remain in the opt-out pool. The analysis shows that the opt-out group generates $30 million in profit, while the opt-in group, despite lower premiums, generates $33 million due to reduced claim costs. This results in a total profit of $63 million, a 26% improvement over the status quo. We must consider 3 primary risks: competitive threats if rivals copy the model, the potential for customers in the opt-out pool to defect to competitors, and the complexity of varying data privacy regulations across Asian markets. My recommendation is to launch Project Wapple and extend it to existing customers via an opt-in migration. We should monitor the opt-out pool closely and prioritize building a proprietary data edge to defend against competitive imitation. If you want to practice this case yourself, visit the link provided to access the case with a live AI coach for real-time feedback. New case breakdowns are released every week.